Hey everyone, this is question 16 and it follows on from question 15, so if you're having any trouble I recommend you check that video out as well. But what this question is asking is what is the minimum time that Priya's trip will take, given that she travels from Murrow, stops at Quatta, Olay and then Pippi and finally returns to Murrow. And so what we need to know is that this is the map of the area and that all the distances are shown in kilometres, and that she goes 4 kilometres for every 5 minutes of travel, and that each stop adds 5 minutes. And so to start with, we'll map out our route, and so we know that she starts at Murrow, goes to Quatta, goes to Olay, goes to Pippi, and then goes back to Murrow. And so we know that she stops here, so that's 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Now it takes 5 minutes for every 4 kilometres, and so we can break this 12 kilometre trip up into 3 lots of 4 kilometres. And so 3 lots of 4 is equal to 12, and so each of those is 5 minutes, which means there's 3 lots of 5 minutes, which gives us 15 minutes. Now you come over here and we see that there's 15 kilometres, and so we can break that up into 4 kilometre sections, and that gives us almost 4, but because the answers are ranges we can approximate, and so we know that that's 4, that's 4, that's 4, and this is 3. And so what we'll say is that that's 5 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 5 minutes plus almost 5 minutes, and so we'll say that that leg of the journey is 20 minutes. Now here she goes 20 kilometres, and so we know that 4 divides into 25 times, and so there'll be 5 legs on this journey, and so we have 4 kilometres 5 times, and that is 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and 5 minutes, and so 5 times 5 is 25 minutes. And then her final leg is 10, which is 4, 4, and 2. And so we have 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and then 2.5 minutes. So we have 12.5 minutes there. And so when we add them all up, we have 15 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5 plus 25 plus 5 plus 12.5. Now we'll ignore the 0.5 because it's a range in the answers, and we'll add this up, and so we know that that's 11, 16, 21, 26, 27, so we'll put down the 7, carry the 2, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, and so we can have 87, and that is just shy of an hour and a half, and so we know that the answer is B, between 1 and 1.5 hours.